What up, we're back with another video. So like today we're gonna be shooting a gibberish prank part. Nah. We're gonna be doing a prank on fish and chips restaurant. So like yeah man, where am I here with?
Yeah, with who's Orkonisa, you know.
Who's Orkonisa for the babies?
Yeah. Yeah. Rodibo
for the babies and Tapio for the babies. So like yeah, as you can see it's a trial, right? But like today, trio trial, fuck that shit, man. So like yeah man. Make sure you like, share, subscribe for more videos like this. And without any further ado, let's get into it. Pull up. Dun. Clap on your chorus. Hey, for the lead, my man, for the lead.
Guys, I just saw my crush. Like, do you see it? Upstairs.
Come back, Chinche 200. Oh, what do you buy? Hide the cameraman.
Woza.
Hey, check the guy, man.
Cardi guy. Hey, in Ngamrao, I think Ngamrao. My friend.
Oh, the pin. Okay. What is the guy name? A large. 92 randa. 92. Fonesa domboro loli Italy. Ala toya kanga. Cukup pada. Hey.
Ring 92. Tiga.
No one
Admida.
Artobon. No one ever does rap kana mishi. Kana chips wa fureka. Amandi kana ngoro. TV. What did I and Combera village chips 92 randoms. Okay. You know, with this fish fingers, like why is it fish fingers? Cause like I want fish fingers. Alright, yeah, umbra village chips.